Need to replace your Dodge key fob battery? Here's how to open it safely. First, locate the small button or latch on the fob's side, often marked with a key icon. Press it and gently slide out the mechanical key insert. Next, find the seam along the fob's edge. Using a flathead screwdriver or ideally a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches, gently twist to separate the two halves of the case. Be careful not to crack the case, especially on newer models. Now you have access to the battery. With the fob open, note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side, marked with a plus, should be facing up. Remove it carefully. Dodge fobs typically use a CR2032 battery, though some newer models feature lithium-ion batteries for extended life. Insert the new battery with the flat negative side facing down. Before reassembling, test the buttons to ensure the new battery works properly. Snap the two halves of the fob back together securely. Reinsert the mechanical key. For some newer models, reprogram the fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds while near the vehicle.